This question comes from Rudy, who's bored of shoveling snow. What if I used a flamethrower as a snowblower? Short answer: the snow's gone, along with your house, your neighbors, and maybe the entire city. But let's break down why this is the worst idea in history. What happens when fire meets snow? The immediate effect? The snow melts super fast. But the melted water instantly turns to steam, thanks to temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius, forming a cloud of hot vapor. It takes 300,000 joules to melt 1 kilogram of snow. A standard flamethrower could melt 50 kilograms per minute. That's enough to clear your driveway in 10 seconds, with terrifying consequences. The melted snow doesn't magically vanish. The water refreezes into a slick 10-centimeter ice sheet. Now imagine your neighbor slipping on your handiwork and suing you for it. Flamethrowers have a danger radius of 20 to 50 meters. What might catch fire? Wooden fences, power lines, your neighbor's car. In 2015, someone in Canada tried this. Small fire, $5,000 fine. Evaporated snow plus flamethrower fuel equals a cloud of carbon monoxide and hydrogen cyanide. This isn't snow clearing, this is lung clearing permanently. If you still try this, bring a giant match, call in emergency services, and say you're doing a citizen science experiment. Outcome: jail time anyway. So can you use a flamethrower as a snowblower? Yes. Should you? No, unless you want to become a Disney villain. If you enjoy crazy science like this, hit like and tell us, what ridiculous tools should we test next?